Are you noticing new gray hairs every single week and feeling like they're multiplying faster than you can keep up? Have you been dyeing religiously, but the gray just keeps spreading no matter what you do? Here's something most people don't know. There's one critical factor that stops gray hair from multiplying, and it has nothing to do with hair dye or topical treatments. This factor is so powerful that correcting it can actually slow down and sometimes even reverse recent graying within months. Today, I'm revealing exactly what this one thing is and why ignoring it is causing your gray hair to multiply exponentially. More importantly, I'll show you how to address it starting right today. Stick around because this could be the breakthrough you've been desperately searching for. The one thing stopping gray hair from multiplying every week is correcting the oxidative stress overload happening inside your body right now. Gray hair multiplying rapidly is not normal aging. It is a sign that your body's antioxidant defenses have collapsed and free radicals are systematically destroying melanocytes throughout your scalp. Most people think gray hair multiplication is inevitable or purely genetic, but research from the University of Bradford found that hydrogen peroxide accumulation in hair follicles is the primary driver of rapid graying. When your body cannot produce enough catalase enzyme to break down hydrogen peroxide, it accumulates to toxic levels that bleach melanin and kill melanocytes. The reason your gray hair is multiplying every week instead of appearing gradually over years is that oxidative stress has reached a tipping point where your antioxidant systems are completely overwhelmed. Each week that passes without addressing this oxidative overload, more melanocytes die permanently and more hair follicles start producing gray hair. Understanding that oxidative stress is the one thing driving your gray hair multiplication changes everything about how you should approach this problem. Hair dye can't stop oxidative stress because it only covers the symptom. Topical treatments can't stop oxidative stress because they don't address internal cellular damage. Expensive salon procedures can't stop oxidative stress because they work externally while the problem is internal. Only addressing the internal oxidative imbalance at its source can actually stop new gray hairs from appearing and multiplying across your scalp. Research published in the FaceUp journal demonstrated that melanocytes in actively graying hair follicles have up to 1,000 times higher hydrogen peroxide levels compared to pigmented follicles. This massive oxidative burden damages melanocyte DNA, impairs melanin synthesis, and eventually causes complete melanocyte death. The oxidative stress causing gray hair multiplication comes from multiple sources. Chronic stress generates cortisol that depletes antioxidant reserves. Poor diet fails to provide needed antioxidant nutrients. Environmental toxins create massive free radical exposure. Inadequate sleep prevents cellular repair. Before we move on, I'd love to know where you're watching from. If this content is helping you understand why gray hair multiplies and how to stop it better, type "great" in the comments or "improve" if it doesn't. And if you're serious about stopping gray hair multiplication, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. Understanding exactly how oxidative stress causes gray hair to multiply each week reveals why conventional approaches fail completely. The mechanism is straightforward but devastating when left unchecked. Your hair follicles contain melanocytes that produce melanin pigment. Melanin production naturally generates hydrogen peroxide as a metabolic byproduct. In healthy conditions, catalase enzymes break down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, preventing damage. When oxidative stress overwhelms your system, catalase production declines dramatically. Studies from Mainz University found that graying follicles show massive catalase deficiency. Without adequate catalase, hydrogen peroxide accumulates to toxic levels inside melanocytes. Accumulated hydrogen peroxide bleaches melanin, causing hair to lose color. More critically, it damages melanocyte DNA and structures, impairing function. Eventually, the oxidative damage becomes so severe that melanocytes die completely. Once melanocytes in a follicle die from oxidative damage, that follicle produces gray hair permanently unless stem cells regenerate new melanocytes. The multiplication rate depends on how fast oxidative stress kills melanocytes across your scalp. When new gray hairs appear every week, oxidative stress is actively destroying melanocytes in multiple follicles. Each week represents another wave of follicles reaching the tipping point, This is why gray hair seems to multiply exponentially. The acceleration happens because oxidative stress creates a vicious cycle. Initial melanocyte damage reduces natural antioxidant protection. This makes remaining melanocytes more vulnerable. Weakened melanocytes generate more hydrogen peroxide, accelerating their own destruction. Research from NYU shows that rapid graying indicates systemic oxidative stress throughout your entire body. The same damage killing melanocytes is simultaneously damaging your cardiovascular system, brain, liver, and other organs. Stopping gray hair multiplication requires breaking this cycle by boosting antioxidant defenses while reducing free radical exposure. This approach allows your body to neutralize hydrogen peroxide accumulation and protect remaining melanocytes. The specific factors driving oxidative stress overload and causing your gray hair to multiply every week include vitamin B12 deficiency impairing DNA synthesis, copper deficiency disabling melanin production, chronic psychological stress generating cortisol, poor sleep quality preventing cellular repair, inflammatory diet high in sugar and processed foods, and environmental toxin exposure from pollution and chemicals. Each factor independently increases oxidative stress, but their combination creates catastrophic melanocyte damage that causes the rapid multiplication you're experiencing. Vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the most common causes of rapid gray hair multiplication. B12 is essential for DNA synthesis in rapidly dividing cells, including melanocytes. Research from Skin Pharmacology found that B12 deficiency causes premature graying reversible with supplementation. When B12 is deficient, melanocytes cannot properly replicate DNA during cell division. This leads to DNA damage, impaired function, and cell death. The deficiency also impairs homocysteine neutralization, generating massive oxidative stress. Many people are B12 deficient without knowing because symptoms develop gradually. Vegetarians and vegans are high risk. People over 50 have reduced stomach acid impairing absorption. Medications like metformin and proton pump inhibitors block B12 absorption. Copper deficiency disables the tyrosinase enzyme melanocytes need to produce melanin. Without adequate copper, melanocytes cannot synthesize melanin. Copper is also essential for superoxide dismutase, a critical antioxidant enzyme that neutralizes free radicals. Research from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology showed that copper supplementation can restore pigmentation in people with copper deficiency. The challenge is that most Western diets provide inadequate copper, while excess zinc from fortified foods blocks copper absorption. If you're finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach other people whose gray hair is multiplying and who need to understand the real solution. Chronic stress is one of the most powerful drivers of rapid gray hair multiplication. A Columbia University study showed that severe stress can cause noticeable graying within weeks by depleting melanocyte stem cells and generating massive oxidative stress. Stress hormones damage melanocytes and their stem cells while depleting antioxidant reserves. Cortisol impairs glutathione production. Chronic stress also disrupts sleep, impairs nutrient absorption, promotes inflammation, and increases oxidative damage from multiple pathways. The Columbia study found that reducing stress allowed some recently grayed hairs to regain color. This proves that catching stress-induced oxidative damage early and reducing stress load can restore melanocyte function and allow hair repigmentation. Poor sleep quality accelerates gray hair multiplication by preventing cellular repair. During deep sleep, your body activates autophagy, regenerates antioxidant enzymes, repairs DNA damage, and restores melanocyte stem cells. Research from the University of California found that chronic sleep deprivation increases oxidative stress dramatically. People sleeping less than 6 hours nightly show accelerated aging markers, including more rapid graying, faster telomere shortening, and elevated inflammation. Inflammatory diets high in sugar and processed foods generate massive oxidative stress while failing to provide antioxidant nutrients. Advanced glycation end products formed when proteins react with sugar create oxidative damage throughout your body, including in melanocytes. The comprehensive solution requires addressing all oxidative stress sources simultaneously. Single interventions provide minimal benefit. You need a systematic approach that boosts antioxidant defenses while reducing free radical exposure. First, test for B12 and copper deficiencies. Test serum B12 with methylmalonic acid and homocysteine. Test serum copper and ceruloplasmin. Testing reveals exactly what you're deficient in for targeted supplementation. If testing shows B12 deficiency, supplement with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. Methylcobalamin is the active form. Take it sublingually for better absorption. Many see improvements in energy within weeks, with hair repigmentation taking 3 to 6 months. For copper deficiency, supplement with copper bisglycinate at 1 to 2 milligrams daily. Avoid taking copper with high-dose zinc as they compete. Dietary sources include oysters, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Restoration takes several months before visible improvements appear. Second, implement daily stress reduction that lowers cortisol. Practice mindfulness meditation for 10 to 20 minutes daily. Engage in moderate exercise like walking or yoga. Both balance stress hormones without creating additional oxidative stress from overtraining. Prioritize social connection, which buffers stress impact. Set boundaries around work and technology to protect recovery time. Columbia research proves that stress reduction can reverse some recent graying, making daily stress management essential. Third, prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep in a completely dark, cool room. Darkness is essential for melatonin production, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. Maintain consistent sleep and wake times to support circadian rhythms, controlling cellular repair. Avoid screens for 1 to 2 hours before bed as blue light suppresses melatonin. Consider magnesium glycinate at 300 to 400 milligrams before bed, which improves sleep quality and supports antioxidant enzyme function. Improving sleep quality reduces oxidative stress within weeks. Fourth, adopt an antioxidant-rich anti-inflammatory diet. Eat berries daily for anthocyanin antioxidants. Consume leafy greens for folate that works with B12. Include fatty fish twice weekly for omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbohydrates that generate oxidative stress. Minimize omega-6 vegetable oils that promote inflammation. Focus on extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Drink green tea daily for EGCG catechins that boost antioxidant defenses. Fifth, support endogenous antioxidant systems with targeted supplements. N-acetylcysteine at 600 to 1,200 milligrams daily boosts glutathione, your master antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid at 300 to 600 milligrams supports mitochondrial function and regenerates other antioxidants. Consider catalase supplements, since catalase deficiency drives hydrogen peroxide accumulation. Some report improvements with catalase-rich foods like sweet potato, broccoli, and kale. Focus on boosting your body's natural catalase production through overall antioxidant support. Sixth, reduce environmental toxin exposure. Filter drinking water to remove contaminants. Choose organic produce for high pesticide foods. Avoid plastic containers, especially for hot foods, as plasticizers leach and act as endocrine disruptors. Minimize air pollution exposure through indoor filtration and avoiding outdoor exercise near traffic. If you smoke, quitting is essential as cigarette smoke generates massive oxidative stress. Even secondhand smoke exposure accelerates graying and biological aging significantly. Critical mistakes include addressing symptoms with dye instead of root causes, taking single supplements without comprehensive lifestyle change, expecting immediate results and giving up too soon, and continuing high-stress lifestyles while hoping supplements alone will work. The biggest mistake is covering gray with dye while ignoring oxidative stress. Dyeing provides temporary cosmetic relief, but doesn't address the underlying oxidative overload. Worse, chemical dyes containing hydrogen peroxide add more oxidative stress, accelerating the problem you're trying to hide. Continuing dyeing while gray multiplies weekly means dyeing more frequently as oxidative stress kills additional melanocytes. Eventually, you're touching up roots weekly while your hair becomes damaged and brittle from chemical overload. Another error is taking B12 or copper supplements without testing. Supplementing nutrients you're not deficient in wastes money and creates imbalances. High-dose zinc supplements can actually cause copper deficiency that accelerates graying. Testing identifies specific deficiencies for targeted intervention. Expecting immediate visible results guarantees failure. Hair grows approximately half an inch monthly. Even stopping all new gray today, it takes months for enough pigmented hair to grow noticeably. Most people need 3 to 6 months of consistent intervention before seeing visible changes. The most damaging mistake is continuing high-stress lifestyles while hoping supplements alone will reverse graying. If chronic stress generates the oxidative overload, no antioxidant supplementation can overcome ongoing stress hormone damage. Stress management must be part of your daily routine. You now understand that stopping gray hair multiplication requires correcting oxidative stress overload. Gray hair multiplication is not normal aging or genetic. It's a visible sign that hydrogen peroxide accumulation from collapsed antioxidant defenses is destroying melanocytes across your scalp. The primary driver is hydrogen peroxide accumulation from catalase deficiency. Research shows graying follicles have up to 1,000 times higher hydrogen peroxide that bleaches melanin and kills melanocytes. This creates a vicious cycle where weakened melanocytes become progressively more vulnerable. Specific factors driving oxidative stress include vitamin B12 deficiency preventing DNA synthesis, copper deficiency disabling melanin production, chronic stress depleting antioxidants, poor sleep preventing repair, inflammatory diet generating free radicals, and environmental toxins adding oxidative burden. The solution requires testing for B12 and copper deficiencies, then supplementing with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms and copper bisglycinate at 1 to 2 milligrams based on results. Implement daily stress reduction. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Adopt an antioxidant-rich diet with berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish while avoiding processed foods. Support antioxidant systems with N-acetylcysteine at 600 to 1,200 milligrams and alpha-lipoic acid at 300 to 600 milligrams daily. Reduce environmental toxins through water filtration, organic produce, avoiding plastics, air filtration, and eliminating smoke exposure. Stopping gray hair multiplication requires comprehensive intervention addressing all oxidative stress sources. Avoid covering gray with dye while ignoring root causes, supplementing without testing, expecting immediate results, and neglecting stress management. Commit to 3 to 6 months of consistent intervention before expecting visible improvements. If this video helped you understand why your gray hair multiplies every week and the one thing that stops it, please share it with someone who needs this information. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content about addressing root causes of gray hair. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos about real solutions instead of temporary cover-ups. Thanks for watching and trusting me to explain the one thing that stops gray hair from multiplying. I'll see you in the next video.